Hi, Karina Gardner here, and today we're going to talk about finding tools. So this funny thing happened when there was a switch between CS6 to the new iCloud version of Illustrator, and that is that they tried to make it so that you could customize your own toolbar. Now, for those of us who had been using Illustrator for a long time, this is a little bit of a pain, but I think it's really awesome for new users, and even I have gotten used to the idea that I have to go looking for some of my tools. So I thought I would show you that today. Okay, before I get started, I wanted to mention that if you are not part of my upcoming design bootcamp, you are missing out. Registration's open right now, so go and check that out. It is an amazing live experience for a whole week, and we talk about the strategies you need to have to make money to become a designer. So I recommend it for anyone who's an artist and anyone who has been thinking about getting into design. Okay? All right, I'm an illustrator, as you can see right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my toolbar. Now, your toolbar may look a little different depending on what workflow you are using. It doesn't matter, because the thing I want to show you is these three dots here at the bottom of the toolbar. Everybody should have those three dots, whether you've got it doubled up or you have a single line like I'm showing right now. If you click on this, this is your edit toolbar. And it took me a little while to figure out where some of my things were. I'd be looking for a subtract anchor point pen tool, and I was like, where did they put it? It's usually in this place. They have hidden a lot of things here. That's because they want you to have the elements and the tools that you're going to use the most often actually sitting up on your toolboard. And if you're someone who uses the shape tool quite a lot, the shaper tool, then you have the ability to pull it in and add it. But these are some of the elements that in this particular workflow, this artboard that I've got, where people don't use these things quite as often. They may use them, once in a while, so Illustrator gives you access to them, but you don't need them for your everyday things, okay? So these are some of the things I don't use as much. The magic wand tool, I'm just going to show you how to bring things into your toolbar. So here's your toolbar, and if you want something out so that you can see it, or part of a menu so it's easy for you to get, all you're going to do is grab this magic toolbar or whatever one you want to, and you can pull it in. You can see that if I just bring it over here, that things slide around, it's because it wants to fit it right in. So I'm going to drop it in like that, and now it is now on my main toolbar. Okay, pretty simple, right? There are also ways to, depending on which workflow you're using, and this one doesn't allow it, where it will allow you to bring it in as a menu item underneath other items, okay? So sometimes you'll put all of your pen tools together, for example, and you can layer them on top of each other, and then they'll have their own menu. So this one doesn't allow me to do that, but if you want to get rid of this, then you just click on Edit Toolbar. It's such a simple thing, but it's one of those things in Illustrator that gets hidden and you don't even realize, like, where is this thing that I use all the time? And it's hidden in your toolbar. For me, it's usually these like delete anchor point tools or add anchor point tools, or this anchor point tool. Those are sometimes hidden, and I'm usually looking for them. So that's all you have to do. Go to your three dots here at the bottom and you'll be able to find them. I hope to see you in my upcoming design bootcamp. If you're looking for more free tutorials, all you have to do is go to karinagardner.com and click on VIP. Choose the course VIP. I send out a free tutorial every single week, and I will see you soon.